and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create private Discord server. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Discord allows you to create a new server, then immediately you need to set all permissions for everyone role to be disabled. You need to go tap open your Discord. Once you tap open your Discord, you can simply tap on create a new own server. You can find this plus like icon on the left hand side. Simply tap on this and you can create your own server by tapping on create my own. So this can be for me and my friends. Now you can name the server as per your liking and create your server. After this, you can go to your server and go and tap on your roles. There you can select everyone role, go to permission and disable all permissions, or use clear role permission button. After this, you can create new roles for your friends, or when creating new text voice channel, select the private channel option to designate who can view them. So this is how you can simply create private Discord server. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.